My name is Marcel Horst. I'm Managing Director of a management consulting company called Excelsource. Excelsource has been operating for a number of years now, and we are an advisory to a number of businesses in the UK and actually outside of the UK, and help those businesses to review their operational processes and their IT systems. Excelsource has been involved with county broadband now for a number of years. And a couple of years ago, we started looking at county broadband's operational systems and also its business processes. And we found that there were a number of weaknesses in those systems and processes that stopped the company from really fulfilling its growth potential. We set off a project about a year ago to really look at how those businesses, how those processes and systems could be improved. And we found that there was a really key requirement that the business needed to implement, which it currently wasn't doing, which is that the current processes that it was running were very manual in its nature. And as a result, there was not really one single version of the truth in the business. So if one person asked one person, say, how many customers are in this business, that would be, you would get a different answer than if you were to ask somebody else, because the systems weren't syncing up terribly well. So key requirement was, for any future solution, it had to be very much integrated. We started working with Anaeko some 6-7 months ago. And it's been a bit of a roller coaster. It's been quite a busy journey. There was a lot of learning involved between the two different organizations. How can we work best together? And as part of the requirements, we continue to develop and refine the requirements, and ultimately deliver those requirements to the customer, county broadband. My role in that was very much to turn the strategy that I had defined for county broadband and turn that into systems and business process deliverables. The strengths of Anaeko are, I would say, in a number of areas. One is, although we set out a set of requirements, Anaeko actually turned the business requirements into real deliverables for the business, and managed to use their creativity to bring a business process or a set of business requirements to life in an operational system. That wasn't just to do with how two systems talk to each other, but also advice as to how the inner operation of the systems were working. So although some of the systems Anaeko may not have worked with in the past, they very quickly got used to those systems and helped us to get the most out of the systems as they could deliver. Working with Anaeko has been a pleasurable experience, and I would certainly love to work with Anaeko again on another project. And in fact, we are actively looking for projects where the two organizations can work together again and leverage each respective skills. Excelsource's skill in truly understanding the business needs and the business requirements, and Anaeko's skills in realizing that requirement into an operational system. Yes, I would say that truly the sum of the Excelsource and Anaeko relationship is greater than its individual constituents.